Hello dear student of class 9. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School online e-learning session of social science. This is Manish Sabde and I am going to teach you size and location of India. It is a revision lesson of geography. Dear student, India, one of the ancient civilizations in the world, has achieved multi-phase progress during last 5 decades, has contributed significantly to the making of the world history. India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between latitude 8 degree 4 inch north and 37 degree 6 inch north and longitude 68 degree 7 inch east and 97 degree 25 inch east. So dear student, this is the location of India. So here the Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 inch north divides the country into almost two equal parts. You are seeing the map of India and the Tropic of Cancer divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Island, the Lakshadweep Island in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Seas respectively. So, here's the size of India. The land mass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of total geographical area of the world. See, India's total area accounts of 2.4% of the world, total geographical area of the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world and India has a land boundary about 15,200 kilometers and the total length of the coastline of mainland including Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 kilometers. So this is the coastline and 15,200 is the boundary, land boundary of India. See in this picture map of India. The red border shows you the length of coastline of India and black border of India showing you the land boundary of India. So dear student, here the Mirzapur. We know the Mirzapur in India, it is the time meridian of India, means standard time for the whole country. The time along the standard meridian of India passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard time influences the durations of the day and night as move from the south to north. So, the India bounded by the Yangfold Mountains in the northwest, north and northeast, south about 22 degree north latitude. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, the time along standard meridian of India, 82 degree 30 inch east passing through the Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard time for the whole country. So, Mirzapur as the standard time. So dear student, I hope you understand today's topic. So it is all about the size and locations of India. I hope you understand today's topic. So here the assignment question that based on today's topic, what is the location of India and name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. So I hope you understand today's topic. So dear student, thank you for watching today's online video and have a nice day ahead. Thank you for making me a part of your day.